Hi guys, leaving Panama lock. It's the so-called Pedro Miguel, pangalawang lock. So we're leaving Pedro Miguel. May isa pa si Miraflores. That's the third lock, Miraflores. At saka lalabas kami guys, going to Pacific side, kasi yung unang lock sa Atlantic side man yon. We are going for Japan. That will be 28 days from here by Great Circle sailing, Kokorba Great Circle. 28 days kasi pag drumline mahabang araw pag drumline. So from west to east guys, we're moving from west to east dahil galing kaming Amerika papuntang Japan. That means we will be passing the IDL, International Date Line. So one day will be added, then adjustment of 14 hours to conform the zone description of Japan, which is +9. Kasi sa Amerika, New Orleans, it was -5.